Hello and welcome to Daily English. Today we have a beautiful and relaxing conversation called Asking a Florist About Flowers for Indoor Decoration. If you love flowers, indoor decor, or simply want to improve your English in a calm and easy way, this lesson will help you learn natural phrases and vocabulary while enjoying a soft, pleasant story. Don't forget to watch the full video on our channel, and please like, share, and subscribe to support us and get more daily English lessons every day. Now, let's step inside the flower shop and join Sophie and Liam for their conversation.
Hi, your shop looks amazing. I love all these colors.
Thank you. Welcome to Bloom and Green. Are you looking for anything specific today?
Yes, I want to add some flowers indoors at home. I'm not sure which ones work best.
Of course. Let's see. Do you want flowers that bloom often or ones that are more decorative with leaves?
I think both. Something that looks pretty and brightens the room.
Great. For beginners, orchids, peace lilies, and kalanchoe are popular. They're easy to care for and bloom beautifully.
Oh, I've seen orchids before. Are they difficult to maintain?
Not too difficult if you follow simple rules. They need indirect sunlight and a little water once a week.
Only once a week. That's perfect for me. I travel sometimes.
Exactly. Peace lilies are even easier. You can water them once or twice a week, and they purify the air, too.
I like that idea. And what about kalanchoe?
Kalanchoe is a small, colorful flowering plant, very low maintenance. It blooms for months if you give it a bright spot.
That sounds perfect. How do I choose the colors?
For living rooms, bright colors like yellow, red, or orange give energy. Softer pastels are calming, great for bedrooms.
I want my living room to be cheerful, but not too overwhelming.
Then, a mix of bright yellow orchids and a small kalanchoe in pastel pink might balance well.
Can you show me how they would look together?
Sure. Let me arrange a small mock setup on this table. See, here's a yellow orchid on the corner, kalanchoe in the center, and a peace lily near the light source.
Wow, that looks lovely. I didn't know plants could brighten the room so much.
Yes, placement makes a big difference. Also, small decorative pots add charm.
Oh, pots matter too?
Absolutely. Ceramic or terracotta pots look classy indoors. Some people like colorful plastic pots for a playful touch.
I think I'll go for something simple and elegant. Maybe white or beige.
Excellent choice. Simple colors highlight the flowers more.
How about care? Should I use fertilizer?
Yes, a mild indoor plant fertilizer once a month keeps blooming healthy. Also, wipe leaves gently to remove dust.
I hope I won't overwater them. I've killed plants before.
Don't worry. I can give you a simple schedule for each plant. Follow it, and you'll have them thriving.
That would be amazing.
Let's start with the orchid. Water once a week, indirect sunlight. Kalanchoe. Bright spot, water only when soil is dry. Peace lilies. A bit of water twice a week.
That's simple enough. I can manage that.
Also, rotate the plants every week so all sides get sunlight. It helps them grow evenly.
Rotate them. I never knew that.
Yes, it's an easy tip to keep them looking fresh.
This is so helpful. I can't wait to try it at home.
Let's pick your plants now. Which orchids do you prefer, yellow or white?
Yellow, please. It'll brighten the room more.
Great, and a small pink kalanchoe plus a piece of lily in this stylish pot.
Everything looks beautiful. I love it.
I'll include care instructions with your plants so it's easy to follow at home.
Thank you so much. You've been very patient and helpful.
My pleasure.